Hello everybody, my name is Alvaro Vera and I'm here again with a new tutorial of isometric stuff. This time I will create an isometric barrel. So the first thing you need to do is create the idea of how it's going to look the barrel. So I create a simple thumbnail in the top part and a simple sketch, an ugly sketch. It's not necessary to be accurate because with the previous tutorials I show how to create tools to make it more simple and more accurate. So I usually use create shapes to help me to have a reference of the position of some elements like the wood and the metallic part. It's really helpful. So then we have the base of each element. So I start to create some details in the wood, and I create a new layer with the highlight in the top and the shadow in the right part. I start to put more details like highlight and also details in the top part of the wood. I create a new layer with overlay to make wood variation of color, to make it more natural and not so simple and flat the wood. Then I start to put the shadows in between each piece of wood and start to look more interesting. Later I put highlights also in the shapes, in the edges, and I do the same in the top part of the barrel. I mix both layers and start to put more details, more highlight in a soft light layer. Also I put another dark color to create or enhance the shadow. Then I will going to move to the metallic part. So I create a highlight in the left part and shadows in the right side, and I put some dirty scratches and stuff. Then I put some highlight to make more readable the edges in the top part of the barrel, the metallic rings. And also I create a new layer with the cast shadow over the wood from the metallic rings. Another layer for the shadow in the rings. And well, I put some other details, contact shadow in between both elements. For the shadow in the ground, just duplicate the full shape and just move the shape 45 degrees approx, and you have the shadow. Don't forget I forgot to create the nails, so I return to the nails, and yeah, create the contact shadow, the light, and the shadow in the other side, and that's all. So I hope you enjoyed the video and see you next time.